Triple monitors, a height adjustable desk, an RTX 4070 Ti Super, 4K gaming, RGB everywhere. Looks smooth, nah? But it wasn't always like this. Let me take you back to where this whole madness started. It was an old Intel i3 10 Gen with 8GB of DDR4 RAM and a GT 710. A card so weak that even Solitaire would stutter if you alt tab too fast. They didn't cool much, but they roared like jet engines. Games like Dota 2 and CSGO, which would literally run on laptops with a broken hinge and some duct tape, even they were like, bro, you chill, we'll wait. Then came the first mini upgrade era. Putting in this cooler felt like a temporary band-aid to squeeze out every last frame per second from a struggling and crying CPU.